what happens when you freely and completely unreservedly share pictures of your children on social media? Well, you're actually infringing upon their intellectual property rights. You might not know this, but your children will not necessarily like the pictures that you share of them. And I have just been speaking to my little brother, hence this urging or urgent sense in me that I want to share this message with you, because my little brother, he knows full well the importance of protecting his children from having their pictures shared on social media, because I'm his sister, because he knows and understands that his children may not want to grow up one day and see some picture floating around of them on Facebook or Instagram or wherever it might be. You know, the other day he shared a photograph of his twins and he had put stickers over their faces because he did not want to just share those pictures of two babies like that. He's actually protecting them because he's my brother. He knows and understands the value of this. And unfortunately, somebody in our family had taken a picture of his twins and put them onto something completely unrelated to his children and him. And it really got his goat, and it got my goat as well. And I just cannot for the life of me understand why this person wanted to share those pictures in that way. I mean, yes, they're cute babies. I get that. However, the thing that the picture of the babies was shared on had nothing to do with the babies. And the fact that they're cute babies has got nothing to do with it, you know. I mean, yes, I get that she felt that they are cute and she wanted to show them to everybody, but that's not the way to go about it. And also, while I was studying the law, and I think this is something that my brother remembers, there was actually a case where some young people had experienced that their parents had shared children or childhood pictures of them, and they did not know about it. And then when they got to a job interview, those pictures surfaced in that situation, and it was really unpleasant to them. So for goodness sake, be careful. Think about what it is that you're doing to your child, and particularly when you're sharing pictures with either chocolate smeared all over their face, ice cream, jam, marmalade, whatever it is, it's not nice. They have not given you permission. Think again, please, please, please. And you can tell from my tone of voice that this really, really gets me. Okay, I'm laughing a little bit now because I want to dispel the tension a little bit here. I don't want to be too tense about it, yet I feel very, very strongly, as you can hear from my tone of voice. So please just think before you do that. Okay, rant over. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Bye for now.